In this video, I will go through what attitudinal metrics are best used to measure UX performance, in which situations they are best used in, and how to improve each metric. The system usability scale is used to measure usability of software or hardware interfaces. A 10-question, 5-point Likert scale questionnaire is used. The average SUS score is 68 out of 100. Unlike a usability report, which is diagnostic, the SUS is used to provide an overall usability assessment measurement. The SUS is given to users after each usability testing session. You can use the SUS to compare different designs in an A/B test. It's good practice to add a description of the project and any additional context to avoid confusion or bias. Make sure no other feedback is collected, only the scores, to ensure the questionnaires' integrity. The customer satisfaction score is used to measure overall satisfaction of a brand, product, or service. The scale includes 5 rating options, ranging from very dissatisfied to very satisfied. The score is a percentage calculated by dividing number of satisfied customers with total number of respondents and timesing that by 100. Only the answers of satisfied customers are used, that is to say, users that answered satisfied or very satisfied. The CSAT is used at the end of customer feedback surveys. CSATs tend to be one-off as they gauge the satisfaction after a specific interaction. To ensure customer satisfaction in the long run, respond to any feedback received to make sure customers feel heard. Be sure to close the loop. Use a customer feedback platform to filter through comments by keywords to reach insights faster. Group customer data, for instance, services used, geolocation, etc., with specific customer feedback so you have greater business context, can isolate pain points, and ultimately prioritize improvement areas. The Net Promoter Score is a simple satisfaction metric that's collected in a single question. It's used to measure customer loyalty. The scale ranges between 0 to 10, whereby detractors fall between 0 to 6, passives between 7 to 8, and promoters between 9 to 10. The NPS is calculated by subtracting number of promoters by number of detractors and dividing that by number of respondents. As the NPS is a long-term measure of customer loyalty, it's recommended that you collect the NPS on fixed dates each year. 1 to 2 times a year is sufficient. Include an open follow-up question on what the user's primary reason for giving the score was. As the aim is to close the loop with customers, whenever there is a detractor, reach out to the customer. Show empathy by taking their issues seriously and working to fix the problem. Track data points that help you understand what's influencing your NPS score. This will allow you to prioritize improvement areas that will have the biggest impact on your customers. The Standardized User Experience Percentile Rank Questionnaire is used for benchmarking the user experience of a website. It consists of 8 questions. It's comprehensive as it uses measures of quality, usability, appearance, trust, loyalty, NPS, and uses the 5-point Likert scale. You can use SuperQ results to compare your website not just to your own previous numbers, but also to hundreds of sites across the web. The questionnaire, like all psychometrics, is administered after users have completed a task scenario. The SuperQ is recommended for e-commerce businesses or other companies who have already solved glaring usability issues, as it is an added measure to foster a better understanding of customers and retain them. Make sure to account for bias in testing. For instance, when testing an e-commerce website, be aware that promotions or deals affect how users feel. So do new or different users on your website. Launching a redesign can also have an impact on results. As humans are naturally averse to change, you can expect a dip in scores as users take time to adjust. It's recommended that you run tests at regular intervals and track changes over time. If you like this video and want to learn more about UX, please subscribe to our channel. And if you had any comments or questions about this video, or any suggestions for upcoming topics, please leave that in the comment section below. Thanks! Bye!